Hey everyone, it's your tech trio.
Danny,
Gene,
Saul.
back with some more Google tips and tricks. Today we're all about supercharging your instruction with some cool Google features. Okay, today I have a tip for some of you that don't know it already. It's a keyboard shortcut. Whenever you want to copy and paste something, it's Control-C to copy, and to paste it's Control-V. Okay, and you locate wherever you want to put it on your document, your slideshow, wherever you want to put it.
Hey everybody. So here's a way to help your students that don't like to write. Maybe they have trouble writing, or maybe you even want to just build up their speaking and their fluency. So this tool is called voice typing. It's a cool feature that you can find in Google Docs. To get to the Google waffle, click on Docs, go ahead and create a new doc, and once you create a new doc, go to Tools. In Tools, you'll see Voice Typing. At the top, you'll notice that you can change the language in case you're speaking in Spanish or another language. Go ahead and click on the mic, and here's an example.
Dear Gene's family, Gene has been a very naughty boy. He's been disconnecting all of our cables at work. Please let me know if there's any way we can get a hold of you so that we can discuss this further. Thank you, Technology Kings.
Tired of having to make a copy of a template in your Google Docs? Well, today I'm going to show you a new trick that you can create templates on the fly using Google's custom building blocks. Okay, I opened up my Google Docs and I'm going to create a new document. Once I click on this, I'm going to go to Insert to create my own table. I'm going to make a student tracker template so that I can have a template that I can reuse without having to constantly make a copy of a previous document. As I get my template set up, I'm going to select Insert, select building blocks, and select custom building blocks. I select create custom building blocks, highlight what I need, then press save. I'm going to type the name student tracker template and press create. Then I've created my own custom building block that I can retrieve whenever I like. Now I'm going to create a new document. I click on insert and go to building blocks, select custom building blocks, and then select student tracker template, and presto, it appears. If you got a burning tech question, please reach out to us.
Let's make this school year tech-tastic.